My name is Katie and I started in NWIS in November 2017. My manager then emailed me within about a year to say that there was the opportunity to go on an apprenticeship scheme. So I started that in May 2019 because I've always really wanted to get a degree to develop within my career. And it's given me loads of confidence so far within the team. I deal with the developers now and I can understand what they're on about. I can build a website. So it allows me to go to Swansea 1 day a week uni, and then I get loads of support from my management. We have monthly meetings, and when exam time comes around, I'm allowed a study leave day if it's needed. It's been really good so far, and in 3.5 years I'll have a BSc in computer science specialising in data analysis.